Hey guys, my name is Arno Smith and today I'm doing another Sweetiebox unboxing.
Joining me today is DaisyZanel. Hey guys, so you heard Arno. Today we are doing a Sweetiebox unboxing. So without further ado, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, do the honors.
Wow. All Valentines themed.
Oh, that's so cool.
And this is the inside. This box is loaded.
Included in every box
are 3 packets of sweets,
new packaging,
an artisanal homemade product,
and a variety of other goodies. But sweetie, hey Arno.
Yeah.
Do you like my cherry lips? Because I have a packet full. They're very cherry, but like not fake cherry, cherry.
They are as yummy as they are red.
Next item. Ooh, I love these. I love them so much.
Show us, what is the next item?
Hershey's Kisses and their cookies and cream flavor. All of these sweets are just
Now that's exciting.
Do you want a strawberry daiquiri poptail popcorn reinvented gourmet popcorn treat? You know we get After Effects for a reason, right?
Wait.
Here you go.
This one is a double.
Doozy. Be cute, give me the other half.
They smell like strawberries, but they taste like marshmallows. But there's no alcohol in it.
Really?
Yes.
Damn.
It's specified on the little pamphlet.
Okay, it says here, decadent, perfectly soft and sticky chocolate cake with 2 lines of creamy vanilla filling that'll take you straight to Flavor Town. Are you ready to go to Flavor Town, Arno?
Highway cake.
But it's so nice.
I'm guessing that this is one of the homemade candies.
Probably.
This says Tasha's Fantastic Fudge.
They are cute.
This is so good.
This is amazing. Oh, okay, it says here that these little goodies are made in KZN. We are in love.
Yes. So in this last goodie bag we have fizzy peachy hearts.
They look so cute. Making this focus. And then you bounce.
You savage! Honestly, out of everything in this box, this is my favorite so far. Magical loved ones. Ching ching swords.
Why are you just naming everything? No, it's a lightsaber. Now it's a sword. Okay, so we still have these candies, and then we still have all of these, and look at us just unboxing them. Wait, it's not focusing. It's not focusing. Focus, there we go. Woo!
Candy!
Woohoo! Don't you just love Valentine's Day? Unboxing complete.
I give this Sweetiebox a 3 heart rating.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We do hope that you enjoyed our video. If you would like to go and purchase your own box, you can do so at sweetiebox.co.za at the low price of $269 per month plus shipping, which is about $60 depending on where you live. Also, please give this video a like. If you love Sweetiebox's new packaging, it is so environmentally friendly and still just as sweet. Bye guys.